So a new discovery in Antarctica. Researchers find new life under an ice shelf, and the discovery was an accident.
What's the new discovered creature in Antarctica? A wide stretch of solid ice and barren lands covered in snow. Many talk about the secrets and age-long history that lay hidden under the ice, which might never be uncovered. Antarctica is a very mysterious planet. It's the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on the face of the Earth. And it's also the highest point on Earth, with an average elevation of up to 7,000 feet. Antarctica is home to a unique ecosystem, with very few plant species and animals that are found nowhere else on Earth. The continent is also home to a number of mysterious phenomena. There have been causes in the past for conspiracy theorists and interested parties to allege that there are aliens hidden within the continent. In fact, it also included that the US government has knowledge of an alien spacecraft that had landed on the continent and is covering it up to exploit the technology. There's been no concrete evidence to back these things up. The best have been testimonies from former employees in some of the government establishments in the area. Recently, scientists and researchers have made an eerie discovery of a creature that looks like nothing that has ever been discovered in any part of the world, the Antarctic strawberry feather star. The Antarctic strawberry feather star has been found to have as many as 20 arms, which are longer and more feathery than those of other species of crinoids known to man. You might be wondering why the species is called strawberry feather star. Well, the top part of the Antarctic strawberry feather star is shaped pretty much like a strawberry, with a rounded bottom and a wider top, accompanied by some dotted bumps on that area. Further findings are still ongoing to understand these creatures, but it's been discovered that the Antarctic strawberry feather star can vary in coloration from purplish to dark red. The lower body of the Antarctic strawberry feather star is covered in bumps, which may be scars from broken arms, providing those dots that make the species look more like a strawberry. The Antarctic strawberry feather star looks more like it has a triangular shape, with the arms extending from the center of the body. The species has been found at depths ranging from 65 to 6,500 feet. The set of 20 arms that have been found on the creature are covered in feathery appendages called cirri. The cirri helps the creature to anchor itself to the seafloor, or to crawl along the bottom. The body of the creature is also covered in bumps, which are thought to be sensory organs. The Antarctic strawberry feather star is a filter feeder, meaning that it eats tiny organisms by filtering them out of the water. It's thought to be a relatively slow-moving creature, and so far, it's not known to be a threat to humans. The discovery of the Antarctic strawberry feather star is significant because it's the first new species of crinoid to be found in Antarctica in over 100 years. It's also one of 4 new species of crinoid that have been discovered in the region in recent years. This suggests that there is still much to learn about the biodiversity of the Antarctic Ocean. There are tales of rich ecosystems that are buried deep within the ice on this continent, and with global warming, though accompanied by fear of the implications on humans, it's expected that some of these secrets buried within will start to surface over time. Considering how long the continent has been covered in ice, many believe that exploring what lies beneath will reveal things about the origin of man and evolution. These speculations come from the very belief that the continent wasn't always covered in ice. In fact, it's believed that lush green forests were covering the landscapes. For a long time, the continent has been a magnet for researchers and scientists who love to explore and dig more into the origin of things. And the continent has also been a source of fascination for conspiracy theorists due to the many unexplained phenomena that have been found there. The researchers who discovered the Antarctic strawberry feather star named it after the Latin word for strawberry, fragarius. They chose this name because of the creature's body shape and the strawberry-like bumps on its surface. The Antarctic strawberry feather star is a fascinating creature that's still being studied by scientists. It's a reminder of the amazing diversity of life that exists in the world's oceans, even in the harshest of environments like Antarctica. This breathtaking discovery of the Antarctic strawberry feather star was made by a team of scientists from the Scripps Institution of Oceanography in the University of California, San Diego. The team was led by Emily L. McLaughlin, Nerita G. Wilson, and Greg W. Rouse. The team conducted a series of expeditions to the Southern Ocean between 2008 and 2017. During these expeditions, they used a variety of methods to collect marine specimen, including nets, dredges, and remotely operated vehicles. The Antarctic strawberry feather star was one of the specimens that the team collected during these expeditions. The team identified the creature as a new species by comparing its DNA to the DNA of other known species of crinoids. The team's findings were published in the journal Invertebrate Systematics in July 2023. The paper, titled 4 New Species of Promacrocrinus Cronidea comatolida from the Southern Ocean, describes the Antarctic strawberry feather star in detail and discusses its significance. The paper published in the journal in this regard is titled 4 New Species of Promacrocrinus Crinoidea comatolida from the Southern Ocean. The authors of the paper are Christopher Ma, Nerita Wilson, and Greg Rouse, all of whom are scientists at the Scripps Institution of Oceanography. The paper describes 4 new species of feather stars from the genus Promacrocrinus, which are found in the Southern Ocean. These newly found species include Promacrocrinus australia, Promacrocrinus bathyalus, Promacrocrinus george, and Promacrocrinus watson. These discoveries were very significant due to certain factors. Some of the significances of the discovery of these new species are, first, they're the new species of Promacrocrinus to be described in over 100 years. This gap owes largely to the fact that exploring the southern oceans is no easy task, given the climatic conditions that leave everything frozen all year round. Secondly, we have the highlight, which is the diversity of feather stars in the Southern Ocean, which opens new doors to new discoveries by studying the behavior of these species and the potential contribution they might make to the world of science. Furthermore, just as many have projected in the past, studying new discoveries from Antarctica might provide new insights into the evolution and ecology of both feather stars and other species. Such discoveries call for wider exploration of these largely uncharted territories, while pointing to the importance of continued exploration and research in the Southern Ocean and other parts of the world that hold great potential. The discovery of these new species is a significant contribution to our understanding of marine biodiversity. It also highlights the importance of the Southern Ocean, which is one of the most remote and least explored regions on Earth. Scientists have been longing to uncover some of the secrets that lie within. The Southern Ocean is home to a wide variety of marine life, including many species that are still unknown to science. Continued research in the Southern Ocean is essential to our understanding of this important ecosystem. Such explorations will help to clarify certain phenomena and quench the thirst of conspiracy theorists that have taken to speculations as a means of finding explanations, some of which might be wrong. In addition to the significance mentioned above, the discovery of these new species also raises some interesting questions about the evolution of feather stars. For example, why are there so many new species of Promacrocrinus in the Southern Ocean? What are the ecological factors that have allowed these species to thrive in this region? These are just some of the questions that future research will need to address, and these questions will go beyond just the feather stars in the near future, when other species will likely be found. These set new challenges for us humans, and resolving them will mean a long leap for the human race. The discovery of these new species is a reminder of the amazing diversity of life that exists in our oceans. It's also a reminder of the importance of protecting these ecosystems from human-caused threats such as climate change and pollution. The discovery of the Antarctic strawberry feather star goes beyond being just a reminder of the amazing diversity of life that exists in the world's oceans. It's also a testament to the work of scientists who are dedicated to exploring and understanding the ocean. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do stick around as we have many other amazing episodes coming your way.